Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another amazing video that has been requested. I've done one of these before, and that is on this restaurant bag slash activity bag for my kids that I have with us if we're going out or if we're going to the doctor's office, anywhere where you need to be able to keep your kids busy. This is something you can take also as a travel bag too, like maybe on an airplane. So this is the bag. I've done one, I think a year or two ago, and it went viral on a couple of platforms. So I decided to do a follow-up because I do have two kids now, and it's even more helpful. And I have even included some baby things too. So if you guys are new here, first and foremost, welcome. My name's Angel, and hopefully as a mom of two, I can be super helpful to you in this video. So let's get started. If you guys have questions, make sure to drop me a comment. Give me that thumbs up, you guys. I really do appreciate it if you do find this helpful. It means a lot. So definitely say hey. And also feel free, I'm taking requests. So drop me a comment and let me know what type of videos you want to see. So let's get into this bag. So first and foremost, this is my updated bag. If you guys saw my previous video, y'all love that bag too, but this one is even better than that one. Actually, secret is a makeup bag. It is so helpful to have, especially like when I don't want to have to take in a diaper bag, or if we're just going to a restaurant, or we're going to an aunt's house, or we're going to the doctor's office, and I just need to be able to keep my kids busy because it'll be a lot of downtime. Some restaurants, it takes sometimes an hour to get food, right? It might be an hour wait list as well. So, you know, this is something that I like to have handy with us. And also, even when you have friends and you're eating out with friends too, and maybe you have other kids, and like we've done that before too, and we have all the kids at the table, activities for all the kids can do. So I kind of loaded this with even more than my previous one because we've been in situations where it was helpful to have even more stuff. I will explain everything, exactly how it's packed and what's all in here. So let's get started. So like I said, this is the bag. It's easy to carry. It's not that big. It's a makeup bag. So let's explain. I will start with the outsides. I love this one in particular because there's lots of pockets and easy access points. So as you can see, this one's see-through. So we'll just start with this one. So inside this little socket right here is a couple things. We got some wet wipes. You know, kids being able to quickly, easily grab one of these, wipe their hands off, their mouth off, or whatever. Great to have. These are little wipes. If you put with water, they expand, and you can wipe kids off too with this, or wipe the table, whatever you like. And then I got some disinfectant wipes, of course, for wiping down tables and things like that. And I have some saline cotton wipes, you know, for runny noses or dried up noses. These are great, especially for the dried up, and some Kleenex. The Kleenex is also great for runny noses. You know how restaurants sometimes are cold, so their nose go to running just because it's so cold in the restaurant. So great to have. And I got these in these easy access points right here, so I can easily and quickly grab, or whoever's looking for it in the bag can easily find it. So all of those are stuck right there. And if you guys missed, I do have a to-go drawer in my house where I have all my little to-go items. I posted a video. I will link it for you guys if you do want to check that out. Now over on this side, I have a little phone holder in case my kids want to watch TV while we're out and then they're just really, really bored. That's my ultimate backup. I actually have activities for them to do. But worst case scenario, because this has helped out at the doctor's office, y'all, it's different places. Just being able to put on a quick show like Miss Rachel or something and let them watch that. So that holds the phones up. I also have in here some scissors. These are collapsible scissors, and great in case they do grab them, they can't hurt themselves. But once you open them up, these have saved up so many times. For cutting straws at restaurants, y'all, they do not make kitty straws at most restaurants. So we always find ourselves having to cut straws, especially. So this is so helpful to have a pair of scissors. And sometimes when you're out, you just like, nobody has scissors, but we always do. So these are great to have. All right, so all that's there. Moving on to this next section right here. This is just a pack of more disinfectant wipes. Again, just great to have when you want to wipe stuff down real quickly. I can't tell y'all how many times that has saved us. To be like, anybody got any disinfectant wipes? And I'm always that mom that has everything. So in this little section here, can you guys see that? I do have some wipes, a changing pad, and a diaper. So again, this is in case we're at the restaurant or doctor's office and Larry needs a quick diaper change. I always have this handy too. So I have it stuck in this little section right there. Opening up the big section now. So this actually opens up really wide. As you can see, this folds out into 4 different sections. It actually hangs 2 that flap out and then 2 more big sections. It can hold quite a bit. So I'm gonna go through section by section. Starting out, this right here is a toy section. So in this section, I have little fidget spinners. I have a couple of these in case, like I said, we're out with friends too and the kids need something to do. I have a couple of these in here. And I actually buy stuff in bulk anyway, so I can share a lot of links with you guys. I have a couple little trucks. My son loves trucks. A couple little trucks. Again, it's not just for him, like it's for if we have more kids too. Teethers for Zuri. Another teether for Zuri. And this is amazing because this we can hook to our arm. We can hook to her arm. We can hook to her stroller. You know, if we're out somewhere, we can hook it to something so, you know, she can't be throwing her teethers on the floor. And you don't have to worry about washing teethers while you're out. But I usually always keep pacifier wipes in my diaper bag, even though she doesn't use a pacifier. Just using to wipe off teethers if we're out and something happens to fall. And we can still clean it off. So, but if you guys want to see the diaper bag, drop me a comment, let me know. And that's in that little section there. This section can always get zipped off too. Keep that in mind. So moving on to the next section. So this is the restaurant section. You can open it 2 ways, this side or that side right there too. I'll just kind of pull out everything. This is a collapsible cup with a straw. So that if y'all don't know, a lot of restaurants do not have kiddie cups. So it's great to have one of these so that your kids can drink out of a kiddie cup, which makes it so much easier. Like I said, I will link everything too. That's the collapsible cup. Also in here, I keep this too. So this can go on any cup. I like glass cups that you get, and it can make it a kid-friendly cup that is like spill proof for the most part, about 95% spill proof, but makes it easy for them to drink out of if you have a glass jar. So I have that in there too. I have silverware for kids. Again, makes things easy eating for them. Got a couple. This is a bib for Zuri. I also have a disposable bib too, y'all. You just never know when it's something super messy. It's easier just to dispose of it. I got that too for messy stuff. And then I also got placemats. So these are disposable placemats. You just stick on the table and they can eat off of. And I also keep a silicone one in here too that I just keep tied with this like little magnet tie there. But yeah, 2 placemats in here. Again, just depending on where we're at, what we're eating, and what is the most convenient thing. And I also keep food in here because, you know, when you're waiting at restaurants, kids be getting hungry, okay? So I have applesauce, I have rice snacks, and then another little pouch, and also some raw honey. Great for sore throats. Kids under 1 cannot have honey though. Keep that in mind. But great for sore throats, also great when you're really hungry. And I keep a pouch top for Zuri. This keeps the pouches from squeezing everywhere. These are amazing. I also had them for age 2 when he was smaller. All that is the restaurant area or doctor's office, again, because sometimes you're waiting so long and they need something to eat, or, you know, so that is for all of that. Okay, moving to the third area. Right here is an activity area. Inside this is tons of activities to keep kids busy. Sometimes, you know, when you're with friends, you want to talk to the adults, and so the kids need to be busy. If you want to talk with their kids, that's great too. But sometimes you know, want to have adult conversations and you just want them to be busy. So you can see what's all in here. I have coloring books. I have, like I said, several because we have been out with friends and family and their kids need something to do too. So I keep extras so everybody can be busy. I keep these sticker pages. These are so fun for the kids to make faces with. So they're stickers, but they have somewhere to put the stickers. I ever had a sticker book, but nowhere to put the stickers. Stickers end up everywhere. So at least with these, they have a face to make. So they can put the stickers on the face and make all kind of silly faces with this. So I got several different ones again for our kids, but also other kids that may be with us. This puff sticker book, these are amazing. They're reusable. He loves these. So I usually keep a new one in here that he hasn't done so that, you know, it will keep them busy for a minute. Also, this is another sticker book too. All of those activities I keep in this section here. Okay, so in this last flap here, I do have even more activities. So I have these little scratch art books. Each one of these has a book and a pen. So it's like a little wood pen to keep the kids busy again. So each one get their own little pad, and it's a scratch pad. A couple of those, 3 or 4 in those, in case, again, other kids need things to do too. And then I also keep bubbles up here too. So, you know, a couple jars of these. In case we're outside and they want to blow bubbles, they can do that as well too, because we've been at outdoor restaurants too. This can be really fun. And there you go. That is everything that is in here. All that fits into this little bag. Super helpful, super handy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please give me a like and a comment if you did, and let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.